How to change screen resolution in Windows 11 PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change display resolution on Windows 11 PC. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up settings in your PC. You could simply use the search bar to search for settings. Now, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, click on System. On the system, head over to display. Now again on the display, on the scale and layout, there's an option for display resolution. Click on this drop down from these options available here. Select your preferred screen resolution that you want to set. After that, you have set your preferred resolution or screen resolution. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.